Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if you see, I have down here 12 objects. There are 12 individual lines. I tried to trace this dog for somebody, and I've got a question in on an email right now why they would want to do this. And me, if it was a family dog, I would think you'd have a better picture. I mean, the body's cut off, the legs cut off, and there's not much you can do for it. But while I thought he's a plasma cutter, and until you add the eyes and the nose, and you're not even going to tell it's a dog by that shape. But I thought I'd kind of share this because I kind of found something myself tonight. I drew this with broken lines, and I would stop and start. So there's like overlapping lines. I was actually using the 3-point curve on the whole dog, and it worked out really well. There's a few spots I need to smooth out, but the dog resembles that dog. Of course, you can't, especially in a plasma cutter, you might be able to put nostrils on it, but it's not going to look right up. So, beside the point, you take the shape tool, and remember that we have 12 objects. So that's kind of the key. Let's go and open our window Docker's join curves window so we'll be ready when it happens. I'm going to grab the shape tool, and I'm going to grab that one. I'm going to hold down the shift key, and I'm going to grab 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other 2 are the inside ones, I guess. And then I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go up here and apply join curves, anything less than 1/2 of an inch. Now it's got some double nodes, but now I won't have any leaks. So there's the dog. And then I can take my, if you have X8 or above, you can take the smoothing tool, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 1/2 of an inch. And just kind of smooth out these few features. I'm still real curious why if he picked this dog, or maybe it's some family dog that friend of his, who knows the real reason, and just around his feet, but it does look like that dog. But I don't know about cutting it out with a plasma cutter. But anyway, you can select all those. So let's back up here. Instead of going through her individually and joining these nodes, let's back up here quite a bit. Let's see what we got as far as objects now. We only got 3 objects, so we're not backed up far enough. 6 objects. Whoop, went too far. But you can see our line. So instead of going through your individually and cleaning that up, you could just click like we did. I wish there was a magic bullet where you could just, I've tried with the alternate key, and really if you pick it with a pick tool, is not really very good because you need to pick it with the shape tool so you can see the nodes. They're all going all the way around it. Like that one's probably already picked, and that one's probably already picked. But then you can select it all and go right here to join curves. And voila, all those mistakes are gone. All your overlapping lines are gone. And then you could actually use your smoothing tool. And if you don't have X or above, you could use, standard old shape tool and move things around. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.